What up YouTube, this is 34 Skylight, and today my $1,000 stand showed up. As you guys may know, a few months ago I purchased the 2019 Mac Pro, the Apple Pro Display XDR, and the Pro stand. Paid $18,000, a little over $18,000 for the setup, and I paid with the Apple card. And I got cash back of a little over $1,000. So this stand, this $1,000 stand that everybody is bitching about, they cost $1,000. I got it for free because I got my $1,000 back. So let's go to unboxing of the Pro stand. Again, with the box, you just pull this little tab. Let me stand up for this. Man, that's a chore. Okay. There we go. There you go, Apple Pro stand. It's just like the Mac Pro box. Same design. Nothing on the side. Nothing on the other side. Nothing's on the back. And it says, it has Apple logo, Pro stand, and the picture of the stand. And on the bottom, you gotta pull this tab. Okay. And I'm gonna show you the entire package. It's a little strap right there. Let's pull it out. Little box there. And the Pro stand itself. There's nothing in the box, as you can see. Nothing else in the box. There's that $1,000 stand, everybody. $1,000 for this stand. And turn it to the side. The other side. And the other side. And the front. That's the stand right there that I got for free because I pay this whole system with the Apple card. But when I saw that 6%, I jumped on it, man, and then that's what paid for this stand, you know. That's the reason I got it, because I wasn't going to do the Visa amount way, but when I saw that 6% and I did the math and I was getting $1,000 back, I went ahead and got the stand, because the stand's gonna be, for me, is for free. I didn't even pay for it, so I already got my money back already. So this whole stand was for free. My monitor, my Pro Display XDR, is coming on Tuesday the 18th, hopefully. I've been waiting for a long time, you guys. I've been waiting for at least a month and a half. I ordered everything in December of 2019, and everything is starting to arriving now. First, my Mac Pro showed up. Now my stand and my Pro Display XDR should be showing up next Tuesday. I've been using, as you guys may know, I had two 27-inch LED cinema displays, and I sold those two cinema displays 4 years ago in 2016, and ever since then I've been using a TV. So I just been waiting for the right time to purchase a monitor. There was a lot of monitors I was looking at, but the one I really wanted at the time was the Predator X35. I wanted that because I didn't know about Apple's coming out with their Pro line, their Pro display line. And if Apple didn't come out with this, I would have picked up the Predator X35. Okay, you do get some literature inside the Pro stand. Get some regulation and little instructions. You do get a little instructions to how to position your Pro stand, and that little pamphlet how it's going to look like in different kind of positions that you can put your Pro stand on, and how you can do turn it vertical and horizontal, the back of the display. And they just tell you how you can position it. That's it. Nothing really special. No Apple stickers. Oh man, can't wait for my display. You guys, I always wanted a 30-inch display, even though, and all the way back when I first got my Mac Pro, I think about my 2010, I wanted two 30 inches. I think 27 is way too small for me. I want something bigger. I think 32 and up is a pretty good size. I think 24s and 27 inches is just too small now. And it seems like a 27 inches is like a standard. It just takes over the 24. Because you remember 24 inch was a standard display that everybody was getting, the 1920 by 1200 24 inch. That was the standard. Now that's not a standard no more. Everybody now, the 27 inch is the standard now, and I think a 27 is way too small. I think the 32 and up is the perfect size, like 32, 34 and up size. I think the 27 is way too small. So like I said, I always wanted a 30 inch, and one's coming on Tuesday. I kind of can't wait. And I might, and this is a big might, you guys, I might pick up another Pro stand and another XDR. And I don't know yet. I'm still thinking about it. Or I might use the money and start saving up for my next Mac Pro. I don't know. I'm thinking about getting another. I want to have a dual XDRs. Because I like the way that iJustine has her set up. She has one horizontal and one vertical, and I like that setup. That setup was so dope, and I'm seriously thinking about getting another one. I can use that $1,000 to get another stand, and I just need to come up with the money to pay for another XDR. Like I said, I got a couple stuff I need to sell off before I get, because I don't like using new money to purchase stuff. I like to use old money, the stuff that I'm never going to use. So I have a lot of stuff on OfferUp, Letgo, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. So if I can get the money that I can get off those things, I can pick up another XDR display. But they're on serious back order, you guys. So if you order one, you're going to wait a month to get it. So that's the only sucky thing about it. But I don't know. I kind of want a second one. I don't know, man. What do you guys think? Should I get a second one or put the money towards the next Mac Pro that is going to come out, if they're making another one? But if they do make another one, I need to start saving right now and start putting away for it today before the new one comes out in the future. So, but anyway, This is the Pro Stand. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the unboxing of the XDR display, standard edition, this Tuesday, February 18, 2020. Alright guys, peace out.